Welcome! Today, we'll show you how to enable videos to start with sounds on Facebook with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in to access your newsfeed. Step 2. Tap on the three-line menu icon located in the upper right corner of the app. This will open a menu with various options for customization. Step 3. Scroll down the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, continue scrolling down until you find the Media option. Tap on Media to access media-related settings on Facebook. Step 5. Within the Media settings, find the option for Video Sound Settings. Mark the option that says Videos Start with Sounds. This will enable videos to automatically play with sound when you scroll past them. By following these steps, you can customize your Facebook app settings to have videos start with sounds, enhancing your viewing experience with audio. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to enable videos to start with sounds on Facebook. Adjust your settings to enjoy a more engaging and immersive video watching experience on the platform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative guides and tutorials. Stay updated on the latest features and functionalities on social media platforms for a more personalized user experience.